Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like and subscribe and share these videos with someone you think might enjoy them. All of that really helps the channel out. Today we're doing number 254. Let's start here in this box. Looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 there. So this is our 2. Got a 7 there, so 8, 7. For this column then, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 there, so this is our 3. Don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 covering here, so 1, 9. No help here, so 1, 8, 9. And 8 there, so 1, 9. And since our 9 can't be, or our 8 can't be here or here, it has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 5, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 9 and 1. And that 5 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 7, 7 and 8 here. So that means this is our 2, and that 2 then makes this our 7 and 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so this is our 2, 3. 3 here, so 1, 2, and that 3 means this is 1, 2. And since our 3 can't be here or here, that means that it's here. For this row, it looks like we're missing 2 and 5. I don't see any help. So 2, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 9, 6 and 9 in this box. So that means that our 2 is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so this is our 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. That 2 makes this our 5, 2, 5. This 9 comes up here and makes that our 6, 9, and 6. For this box now, we're still missing a 5 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 3. And for this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 and 4 here. So this is our 9. A 2 here. So this is our 4 and our 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.